Embark on a journey of sweet indulgence with homemade churros, a delightful treat that brings the magic of crispy exteriors and soft, doughy interiors to your kitchen. Begin your Churro adventure by combining water, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Introduce flour, stirring vigorously until it forms a smooth, silky dough. Let it cool for a moment, then beat in eggs until the mixture reaches a perfect, sticky consistency. Transfer this churro dough into a piping bag, then skillfully pipe long, enticing strands onto a parchment-lined surface. Heat oil to the ideal temperature, then fry these doughy wonders until they achieve a golden brown perfection. While still warm, roll the golden churros in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, ensuring each piece is generously coated in the delightful blend. Now comes the best part, sinking your teeth into the crispy exterior and savoring the heavenly softness within. Whether enjoyed on their own or dipped in a rich chocolate sauce, these homemade churros promise a symphony of flavors and textures that will transport your taste buds to the heart of a Spanish street fair. Treat yourself to the joy of creating this classic delight right in your own kitchen.